It's
Wow.
so hungry.
Would it really eat?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Look at the little tongue. It's still licking its mouth.
And it fell from that tree?
Oh, they cut it. Look. What are you feeding it? Banana.
Banana?
Because how are we supposed to get worms?
So small. Wow, look at that.
Look. Where's a lot of worms? Where? Yeah? Yeah. Not a lot. Okay then. And then I feed them. And then I
It fell from that tree, huh?
You're recording?
Then we can find a way to put them back up there.
Yeah, but then the mom will come back.
Yeah?
Hasn't came back in like an hour.
Really?
Yeah, an hour.
I'm hungry.
Hey, you should check in every single apple there's worms inside. I mean, it's a vegetarian.